Currently we've got a chef on site, just trying to bring a few people in for the events and things, get us well known to the area as well, gather a bit more interest in the development. Hartford Grange is quite a prestigious area. It's quiet, it's a lovely little village. What they have is very good as well, what it has to offer. We've had a couple of people buy houses and register a lot of interest from London and also Manchester as well, just because it's easy to get a train journey straight in.
It's just such a lovely area, and the houses are one of a kind. They're different than anything else that you see with any other builder.
Other builders' offerings were not as attractive as this. The houses have a unique feel to them.
I think the things that drew both of us really was the layout of the rooms, the size of the rooms. The kitchens are out of this world. The bathrooms are amazing. The quality, the real oak staircase and things like that. And it's a proper family setup, the way that they've done the rooms as well.
The houses have got fantastic prospects, and I think what you'll see is it'll show you what you can do with the house, the kitchen, the layout and things. It's fantastic really, because it shows you there's a lot of space in there as well.
They have been done extraordinarily well. It's been done so tastefully, and the houses actually suit the village. They're set back away from the road, they're not imposing. They've just been done very, very tastefully and in keeping with the village, I think.
I managed to get a taste of a cake this morning, briefly, before the customers started walking through the doors. It was absolutely lovely as well, almost as nice as the houses that Redrow built.